In this video, I will try to explain use of CAM scanner and how to upload PDF from CAM scanner to Google Classroom. First of all, you have to be open CAM scanner. CAM scanner, from the CAM scanner, you just touch the camera button and then photo from the camera. Gallery. From gallery you can select more photos. Except these photos, you can select more than one photos, whatever you want. You can select whatever you want. I just select 4 photos. Then done. 4 photos uploaded in this place. Then you have to select 1, 2, 3, 4 gradually according to your exam copy number. Page number 1, page number 2, and page number 3, and page number 4. Then import 4 pages converted into a single page as PDF. Now show the PDF with the help of the button that on the left side, from left to second one, edit PDF, and then you can see all the PDF format. This PDF format you can share directly from CAM scanner to the Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Select Google Classroom. From Google Classroom, you have to select the class. There is written 7 VNS. You can change any one. I just want to upload class 6. And then attachment to which model test? Model test 1, 2, or which question? Against which question you want to upload? There is only one model test question are there in class 6. That is why you have to select this one. And then your copy upload easily. And you can rename this page or you can submit this page from here. Completely submit it to your Google Classroom. So it is very easy to upload from CAM scanner to Google Classroom. You can see your work in class 6 and your work from class 6. With the name you can choose your work. You can see your work, it is correct or not, or you can change, or you can rename your work. You can rename your work. If you want to rename this page, you can easily rename, or you can edit the page if necessary. If not necessary, you just select the button hand in, and the copy will be transmitted, will be submitted to your teacher. Just press the button hand in, then your copy will be submitted to your teacher. In this way you can submit, you can use Google Classroom and CAM scanner.